Hey fam, do you want to see how I made this delicious looking egusi soup? Well then stick with me. The first step in the process is to pour in some palm oil into a pot and then I'll add my chopped onions. Next I'll be putting in my shrimps and then I'll put in some pieces of my already cooked goat meat. My fresh pepper puree goes in before I pour in my egusi. So I like to buy my egusi whole and blend them myself. That way I put in some water and blend them to the consistency I want. Next I'll be adding my pepper mix and then I'll put in my shaki aka tribe. Next goes in my crayfish powder before I put the remaining pieces of the goat meat. My meat stock goes in next and then I'll be adding some more shrimps into the pot. Lastly, I'll be putting my frozen spinach in the pot before I turn it and stir it, then cover it to simmer for a little bit, and then it's ready to serve.